For the first time in history, major Gambian news channels TFN News, N24 News, are broadcasting the extraordinary healing sessions of Syed Babar Hussain Bukhari, the global pain healer. In the Gambia, millions have witnessed relief from every type of body pain through his unique natural healing process, as the powerful voice of Allahu Akbar echoes across the nation, bringing comfort, hope, and miraculous recovery by the will of Allah.
Good evening, we are live in our studios here in Bijilo. You are watching TFN Today and I'm your host Jacqueline Coley, and I'm doing this with...
I am Dauda Balde. Many thanks for joining us.
First, let's take a look at the news making headlines in our news today.
Moving on to some traditional healing story. A traditional healer from Pakistan is currently in the country extending a helping hand to community of Jiborokuta in Kombo East. The initiative, facilitated by Solomon Kinte, the proprietor of Kunta Kinte Hotel, and Ami Jaju, the CEO of Joint Hands to Save a Baby, recently organized a free treatment event. Dozens of patients attended the gathering, each receiving healing from the skilled hands of the Pakistan healer. More in this report. The Pakistan healer, known for his holistic approach to healing through natural remedies and prayers, conducted a free treatment session in Jiborokuta, Kombo East. Patients from both near and far arrived at the venue, while some unable to attend physically were treated remotely via a telephone call.
To continue, Allahu Akbar, Allahu has to push and finish my prayer is check you. Okay,
for many, this was a miraculous moment, as they received prayers for their problems and left with relief. Patients queue on the veranda, eagerly awaiting their turn to explain their ailments and receive healing. Parents whose children had been suffering from severe stomach pain reported successful healing, bringing smiles back to their faces. One elderly woman who had been struggling to walk arrived with support, but after receiving treatment, was able to walk on her own again, experiencing relief from her pain. During the treatment sessions, the healer would recite the Quran, massage the affected areas of the patients, and ask if they still felt the unusual pain. Karafa Jaju, who was suffering from waist pain, knee problems, and eye issues, described how his life had been a nightmare with sleepless nights. However, after receiving treatment, he found relief from his multiple conditions.
Alhamdulillah, ni momin fanai jansot.
After the treatment sessions, the Pakistan healer addressed the media, explaining his approach, which combines natural remedies and prayers to heal patients with various health problems. He emphasized that many people face health complications without the financial means to seek proper treatment, making such free treatment events extremely beneficial.
Only my research is Quran, no magic. Magic is different. All magic people is never recover the body, Is only is power for Allah Akbar, Never ever any magic, Any magic person, why not is recover the all peoples, all worlds,
The event was made possible by the efforts of Solomon Kinte and Ami Jaju, two Gambians who were praised by the beneficiaries for providing them with a life-saving opportunity. Many of the patients expressed their gratitude, stating that they would not have been able to afford the cost of the treatment on their own. For TFN News, Dauda Balde.
Check you.
Saya nyari jero benyadi. Jero. Afalinda. This area.
That's good.
Good.
Allah Akbar, 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 Allah.
Check.
Check this.
So dimi hile nyari kubara. Kasuma.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Check.
Check. Walk and check.
Now around
Allahu Akbar, 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 Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Check.
Check.
Sali hari. He said it's going steady.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah, cheers.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Check.
Sir, yeah. This one. Nindo tasa maringi. Nindo mes abdomen di. Haba mente mo center di. Amok ali mi back ba family. She said she's feeling less pain, but as soon as she's feeling it.
Deep. Okay, no.
Here? Here? Allahu Akbar, 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 Allahu Akbar.
Check.
Dida intela wuto ma alhamdulillah rabbil alamin sumiyat alama sumiya alama ala continue ala to man ko kula nyaaje nyimbe wulla na kana fajang alhamdulillah ni ko dola be dama be danna jel min fanani ya si janga ni atol min na be silokan alama ala yal be chanka alama ala yal sutra momin nata jara rola mo be ka jono jiboro jang alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ala gira inte singo ma de alhamdulillah fi siata baka dum be du ala fana fo fi sia fo